What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here, and in this video, we're gonna be making chart speculation or price speculation on BTC, Bitcoin. Yeah, and if you watched my previous video, guys, you would you already know the drill. I am all in on BTC falling, like retracing, not just like falling. I'm not an enemy of Bitcoin, like so sorry about that. Tired. Yeah. I would have made this video earlier, but I was at work. So yeah. Now, as well can see, this is it. It's on the daily candle. Bitcoin is trying as much as it could, not to go below this trend line right there. It's trying as much as it could, not to go below this trend line, which is very very good and bullish. With the look of things, I am seeing a probability that this week it's probably going to go as high as 99k. 99k. Then when it gets to 99k, we could see it probably trying to retrace, then using here as this level, which is the 95k level, as its support. Then if it's able to break above this trend line here, this resistance here, if it's able to break above, don't just enter. You wait for a confirmation, so that we'll be sure that there won't be a fake out. Then if there's a confirmation, then we can see Bitcoin going as high as 112k, 115k. Now, this is scenario one, Bitcoin being positive, but I don't think it will be positive for long, even if it breaks above that level. I don't actually think it's going to be positive for long because of, as we all can see, there's a lot of bad news so far. LA caught fire, so a lot of companies were burnt down. So a lot of citizens, their properties were burnt down. Government will have to print more money. So when government prints a lot of money to give it out to these people who lost, to compensate them one way or another, or to provide money for them, at the end of the day, when there is too much money in circulation in the economy, you will know that, oh, things start becoming cheap. Things start becoming cheap, then all of a sudden, government starts taking in money. They start taking back the money. So when they start keeping the money, things start getting expensive. So I'd forgotten how this stuff works perfectly, but there is someone on YouTube that I watch his videos. He explains a lot of stuff like that. I think his YouTube channel is Z GZ or something, ZG or something like that. Yeah. So that is what we should know. But that's just what we need to know. There's a lot of bad news in the market. I think I heard something about earthquake going to happen in California, or California is due for earthquake. So this bad news would definitely won't make this bull run that everyone is expecting last for long. Trust me. There are just, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm really taking a lot of sacrificing a lot to make this video. So the only thing that will keep the market bullish is Trump's inauguration, because when Trump comes in, Trump is pro crypto. But let me tell you guys the truth: when Trump comes in, it's just for that month that the market will probably pump, because after Trump comes in, you can't expect the market to be regulated for a very short period of time. It will take like close to a year for the market to be regulated. Months, sorry. It will take months for the market to get regulated. Let me. Where's my stop? It will take months for the market to be regulated, and especially in the US, because there is something about the the United States or the Europeans, they love taking control. They love being in charge. So the fact that you know that US like being in control, they love being having most or being in possession. US love taking being in possession of everything. They love having most this thing. What should I say? They love having it all. If it is good, they want it all for themselves. So this is where I see the crypto regulations taking more than a year if possible, because that's when you will see the US having issue with probably Solana, XRP, ADA, all sort of coins or sort of projects or company like that. So don't just think that USC just Trump will just come in and he'll say, "Oh, I'm gonna declare US to be pro crypto in a way that you could just trade coins as other countries or other continents trade other cryptocurrencies." No, US are very greedy. They are very greedy and selfish. So they would definitely want to have like the largest cake of or the lion's share of every project. So, and if a project should say no, we're not giving you a large portion of this share simply because of probably US is the biggest market or market consumers or consumers of any asset or product, they would US come up with a bad news that, oh, this particular project did this particular project is they will just use that security excuse they use to like make paint a particular project bad. So US are very good when it comes to stuff like that. So I don't just expect the market to go bullish after Trump's inauguration for months. No, it will pump definitely, but after the pump, don't expect the pump to be to last that long. You don't expect the pump to last that long. Yeah. So for today, the as well can start the way from here. The Bitcoin went as low as 80, just low as 8090K, and it is back up here. It is back up here, and hopefully it holds. It's this trend line here, this support here holds it while it goes up. If not, I would say it's probably going to come down from here. It's going to come down here, and if there is no proper close, you have to wait for the daily candle to close. If it closes below 90K, then definitely we're definitely going bullish, and we're going bearish, guys, and there is no much support down here other than it will stop at this 72K. I'm seeing it dropping as low as 68, 70, 72 to 68K, guys. That is how low I'm seeing Bitcoin dropping, and the drop is definitely going to be brutal. It's definitely going to be brutal. So yeah, this is my prediction for Bitcoin, as we all can see. And if it's to probably break out, probably seeing it heading towards, if you want to like trade cautiously, I'm seeing it heading towards this level, towards 117 to 120K. So yeah, 120K, it could definitely go higher if it wants to go higher, depending on the volume. So yeah, that's all I can say right now for Bitcoin. Let me take it back. Let me take it. Let me undo this for the yeah. So yeah, this is basically my prediction for BTC current as we speak. If I can go to the 4 hours time frame, we can see it's actually like there is a lot of volume coming in right now. People don't want it to just stop here and go down. People don't want that. And on the daily, people are saying something about the about heads and shoulder pattern. Yeah, there is a head and shoulder pattern, but I don't think that is necessary at all, or that is what is needed to determine it going down. because as you all can see, this head and shoulder pattern left to me, I feel, or I've been feeling that it was invalidated in a way, but one way or another it just continued. So yeah, that this is just basically it currently. So probably we'll definitely see if it's going to follow the head and shoulder pattern. Will definitely see on the long run, but whichever way, this is what I'm predicting, guys. This is what I'm definitely predicting to definitely go this way. If it's coming down, it is definitely coming down to 74, 72k, guys. Definitely 72k. So this is my prediction for Bitcoin, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.